The algorithm is designed to handle multiple box types and quantities, producing the most efficient stacking pattern within the available space.
The algorithm also enforces a far-to-near placement sequence to minimize collision risk between the robot arm and placed boxes throughout the palletizing process,
ensuring safety and stability throughout the entire operation.
By supporting a wide variety of box types and quantities, the algorithm generates diverse and unique stacking patterns while consistently delivering compact and stable results.
From the user's perspective, the program provides real-time visualization of the palletizing process.
This visualization acts as a digital twin mirroring the robot's motion, workspace, and behavior in the physical palletizing cell.